Here's a review and demonstration of my cordless Shark Rocket Pet Pro. I've had this for a year and a half and it does a great job. It's lightweight and the head pivots to make getting into tight spaces easy. Instead of bristles, it has smooth rubber fins which don't get hair tangled up in them, which is really good if you have pets or people in the house with longer hair. The top part detaches, so you can use it as a smaller handheld mini vacuum too. And the battery lasts a long time, and I can clean my whole house multiple times on one charge.